Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course open up a web browser and go to linkedin.com and just simply sign in into your account. And from here, just simply click on your profile icon at the top right over here and just simply go for view profile. So click on this. And after that, guys, you should be able to see here your link. So you can just simply right click on it and copy it. And if you don't like your link, you can just simply go over here, public profile and URL, and you can click on this pencil icon over here. And after that, you should be able to change it over here by clicking on this one. And from here, you should have an option to change it, and you should be able to have your own custom URL. And after you provided your custom or preferred URL, just simply click on save, and you should be able to change it. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about LinkedIn, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.